Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is an update video on AMP.
Welcome back to the real crypto space, and we will be giving you an update video on AMP today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you know, this is not financial advice.
So yeah, we did a video on AMP about 6 months ago, and it was about 1.7 cents. So as you can see, it's grew a little bit since then, and it's still got a low kind of market cap, $2 billion. Not too low, not too high. But if you look at its all-time high, it was 12 cents. So it's still 62% down from its all-time high. So if you look at how much money needs to flow into the market for it to go back at its all-time high, which was 3 months ago in June, we would need, as you can see, we'd need about another $2.6 billion flow into the market for it to reach 12 cents once again, which is a lot of money to be honest. But if it's already at $2 billion and what it's providing to the space, then it can definitely reach that again and can also break that high.
So by the way, guys, it's just an update video, but we're going to be talking about what it actually does. So it's basically money into the 21st century, and AMP provides assets like litecoin, LTC, DAI, with an instant verifiable assurance for any real-world applications.
So as you know, there was a big thing that happened where coins were, so here it is, since inception a total of 1.2 million 871 FXC, which is the predecessor to AMP, and 2,283,386 AMP have been sent to the AMP token contract and the FlexCoin contract. So they're migrating together, so there's FXC and AMP token pairing. So as the tokens were permanently unrecoverable, these are going to be, if FlexiCoin does. So this proposal is for community vote on whether a one-time AMP replacement for the unrecoverable assets should be offered. So if approved, Flex will purchase 3.5 billion 258 AMP on the open market and allow affected addresses to claim new tokens. So no one will be affected. This shows that it's trusted. As before, it was a little bit in a grey area, as people didn't know if it's legit or not. But the fact they're doing this, it shows that they're obviously trying to fix what has gone wrong, which is always good. They're trying to compensate everyone that's lost money and tokens from this thing that's happened.
So as you guys can see, it has been security audited, and they were compensating people that did lose their tokens. And yeah, it just shows you how good this project is.
So that is pretty much it for this update video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really means a lot. And yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.